Welcome to the captivating world of the Sundanese, the second largest ethnic group in Indonesia, hailing primarily from the western part of the island of Java. Their culture is a rich tapestry of gentle traditions, harmonious language, and vibrant arts, deeply rooted in the philosophy of Somaya, meaning friendliness and hospitality. The Sundanese language is a defining trait, characterized by a complex system of honorifics called Undak Usuk Basa, which dictates language choice based on social hierarchy and respect, a reflection of their polite nature. Beyond mere words, this intricate structure underlines their commitment to harmony and community. No exploration is complete without experiencing Sundanese cuisine. Dishes like the iconic nasi liwet, rice cooked in coconut milk and spices, often eaten communally from a banana leaf, embody the spirit of togetherness. From the pungent crunch of caradoc salad to the succulent sweetness of satay marangi, the food is fresh, flavor-packed, and perfectly tailored to the tropical climate. The Sundanese are world-renowned for their musical artistry. The angklung, a unique set of bamboo instruments, requires collaboration to create a melody, symbolizing unity. This tradition extends to their dance, such as the energetic jaipongan, and folk songs like the famous Manuk Dadali, which celebrates the beauty and strength of their land. Finally, their traditional attire is a statement of grace. The men often don the elegant beskap jacket and ikat headwear, while the women are adorned in the exquisitely tailored kabaya, often paired with stunning batik patterns. These garments are not just clothes. They are a visual commitment to their heritage. The Sundanese people are guardians of a truly special Indonesian identity, offering a warmth and charm that remains unforgettable.